loaded Christmas dinner turkey burger. This thing is loaded. We're putting mashed potato, cranberry sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, onion, Brussels sprouts, stuffing, salt, and pepper. Thick turkey burgers, and we're gonna wrap them in bacon, and we're gonna bake them in the oven for that more turkey, roasted turkey, Christmassy holiday taste. A couple of rashers this way, and then one over the top and underneath the other rasher right here. Almost a little lattice work going on. And then we're going to put our turkey burger right in the center. The bacon's salty, so we don't really need much salt, just barely a pinch just on the top. But some freshly ground black pepper will do nicely. And then we'll just wrap. And there it is, a wrapped turkey burger ready for the oven. So I've made a couple of these and we are going to put them in a pan. And there we go. The oven is at 375 Fahrenheit. These are gonna take, I'm gonna guess, about 25 minutes, but they could take 40 minutes. It's all about making sure the bacon is crispy, crunchy, then you know the patty in the middle is cooked through. Any kind of burger bun will do. I have a potato bun, and I also have a regular large hamburger bun, so it doesn't really matter. What I have done is I put a little butter in a pan, got it hot, and just dropped these in to make them nice and brown. Now, the first thing we're gonna work on, it's really simple, this whole thing is so easy, is the sauce to go on the burger, which makes this incredible. It is canned cranberry sauce from the store, but I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, not too much, just a little in there, and some mayonnaise, because this has to coat the bottom and top of the bun. So a fair amount of mayonnaise in there, and just give it a stir. There's a nice festive pink. I found that this coffee mug is the exact size of the burger buns. So I'm going to spread some mashed potato out and cut it with this mug so it'll fit nicely and look good on the burger. I just noticed this mug is a Christmas mug. Put the potato at the thickness we want here and see if we can just get the right size by pushing gently down on this mug. And there we have it. So that looks pretty good to me. And there it is. Bun size mashed potato. Same idea with the stuffing. You can make your own stuffing or choose your favorite from the store. This is just store-bought. Hey, go away. We constructed these ready for the burger, so when the patty comes out of the oven, we can put it on the bun, put these on top, and we'll be good to go. Next, the Brussels sprouts. A lot of people don't like Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, there's nothing wrong with them. I like them, so I'm putting them on. You don't have to. What I've done here is simply finely shredded, finely chopped the sprouts. And what I'm gonna do is just fry them gently in a little olive oil and add some balsamic vinegar. Here they are, lightly sauteed with a nice addition of balsamic vinegar. Really kicks these up on the top. Oh my goodness, this smells like Christmas dinner. Now, of course, all of this was prepared earlier, so it's cooling, and we want the burger to be nice and hot throughout. So we're going to put these on a plate, and we just need to microwave them to bring them up to temperature, not even 30 seconds, 20 to 30 depending on your microwave, just to put that warmth back in when the turkey burger is ready. Now we've just got to put this thing together. We warmed this in the microwave very carefully. Be careful, if you overheat this in the microwave, the mashed potato will give way and you'll have a sloppy mess. First, we're going to put some of our sauce on both sides of the bun here. Already added some onion to the top of our mashed potato, stuffing, and Brussels sprouts. And this is looking absolutely beautiful, wrapped in bacon, crispy, crunchy, and just ready to go on to the bottom of the burger. This is going to be one of those burgers that's tough to eat because it's so big and so stuffed, but it's so worth it. I added just a little pan gravy for dipping, and it's ready. Some people say I have a big mouth, but can I eat this? I'm going to take a little dip in the gravy, as it does make a difference, and somehow try to get all of these tastes in one, an entire Christmas dinner in my mouth at one time. It is ridiculously messy. It is outrageously flavorful and tasty. It's a delight to eat. Give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, hit the bell, leave a comment. You're always welcome right here in the kitchen. Come back and see us next time. I got some work to do.